Oilfield runs 24/7. We got the crews, we got the capabilities to keep these guys going at all times, all hours. Our standards very high, very thorough, and the guys here care about the work.
We have a lot of pride with our facility. This is the biggest service center in the area that customers can come back to, whether it's from pump repair to iron reinspection, pump teardown, pump rebuild, fluid end swaps, FSR safety restraints.
We got multiple work trucks. They're tooled up, ready to go at a moment's notice. We can accommodate pretty much anything.
Common challenges faced by our customers in Canada include harsh weather, harsh environment.
You can have a plus 40 day in the summer, and in the winter we could have a minus 40 day.
A common issue I see with equipment is just general wear and tear from weather conditions, overuse. We do visual inspection on site as well as in-house annual inspections to mitigate that.
SPM is unique in that we are an OEM. We can provide deep expertise in our products and full life cycle support.
We have access to all the OEM tools. We got the in-house training. We have great on-call support at all times. Someone's always available. We always get an answer, always get a solution for our customers.
We know what it takes to do the work in Canada, and we're proud to be a part of it.
SPM has a strong history in Canada.
Customers believe in our products, they believe in our services, they believe in us, they believe in the relationships that we have. They're pumping through our products, they're pushing our products to the limits.
We built it, we maintain it best, and nobody cares more about your pump than we do.